Welcome back to our podcast. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-assisted programming with a focus on a tool called codemcp. Have you ever wished for a coding partner who could not only suggest code snippets, but actually write and edit your code? Well, the future of pair programming has arrived with codemcp and its integration with Claude Desktop. So what exactly is codemcp? Imagine being able to chat directly with an AI, like Claude, and ask it to implement features or fix bugs in your codebase without the hassle of copying code back and forth. It's designed to work seamlessly with Claude Pro, which is essentially a more powerful subscription version of Claude's chat-based assistants. You might be wondering, how does this all work? codemcp utilizes a straightforward command structure that connects to Git repositories. The magic begins when you set up a configuration file. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of it like setting the stage for a performance. You prepare the script, then let the AI take the lead to bring your vision to life. When you start using codemcp, you'll create a project-specific file called codemcp.toml. This file not only initializes the project, but also allows you to specify commands for formatting and testing your code. For example, you can easily tell it to run a test suite or format your codebase without lifting a finger. Well, almost without lifting a finger. Now, I love a good pro tip, and here's one for you. If you're on Windows and find that the server fails to load, check the logs for troubleshooting cues. Sometimes the AI just needs a gentle nudge, like a reboot, to recognize a newly installed program. What I find particularly intriguing about codemcp is its philosophy. Unlike an autonomous agent that might take wild liberties with your code, you're in control here. Every change the AI makes is logged in Git as a commit, and you have the opportunity to review and discuss the modifications before moving forward. It encourages a more collaborative atmosphere, with AI acting not as a replacement, but as a helpful assistant. Having said all that, we also have to acknowledge the limitations. There are rate limits to keep in mind, which can be annoying, but also give you the perfect excuse to step away and review some of the work that's been done. Embrace those breaks. They can allow you to reflect on what's emerging and guide the AI to the next steps. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on the potential of tools like codemcp in a software development environment. By allowing programmers to interact with AI in a more natural conversational way, we're making coding not just about writing lines of code, but collaborating dynamically. How cool is that? And to our listeners, we'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you envision integrating AI into your coding workflow? What tasks do you think would make the best partners for an AI like Claude? Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore the impact of AI in other creative fields. Until next time, keep coding and collaborating.